Hey there, this is Emily, and I'm going to walk you through our recommendation section. Our recommendation section offers articles that are through Google that you could add directly into your content library. Let me show you how. Navigate to recommendations. You are going to search a term, and it's going to bring up top stories related to this. From here, I can click this one and click this, and now they're right into my content library. As you can see, they are here. If you navigate to images and search a term as well, these are copyright-free images you can add into your content library as well. So if I want to just click this one and this one, again, they will be right into my content library. That is our recommendation section. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.